If your house is like ours and you have all these cute little puzzles with missing pieces all over the place, I have a perfect solution that I just recently purchased, so let me show you the unboxing. Now, this comes in a set of a variety of different size pouches that actually have zippers and are somewhat see-through so that you can actually store things like these puzzles and things that have a lot of pieces so that things don't just get thrown around the house, so that everything has a home. And this is the solution that I've been looking for. I've been using Ziploc bags, but actually Ziploc bags don't always fit things like these Melissa and Doug puzzles. So that's why I went ahead and bought this set. There's actually so many of these that come in this set. And as you can see, they come in a variety of different sizes. And you can also purchase, I think, sets that are just the same size. And look, these Melissa and Doug puzzles actually fit perfectly inside this size pouch. This is definitely something I've been looking for because I can't store all of these flat like they recommend. I need them to be on their side. So now that I can put all the puzzle pieces and the puzzles in there, this is going to make my life so much easier when we want to go do puzzles. And even best yet, I can store all of the unused bags in one of the giant bags. Now they also come with some labels so that you can actually label everything to keep it all organized, but I'm going to go ahead and keep this in our homeschooling closet because I know there's a lot of things around my house that need a home. So if you want to get some of these, check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase some of these. And thanks for watching. Check out my Amazon storefront for even more homeschooling essentials, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.